Robots that look, walk, and even talk like us. Once a science fiction dream, now becoming a reality. But are we truly ready for humanoid robots? Welcome to All Things AI. In this video, we explore the incredible evolution of humanoid robotics. We will look at the global competition fueling this revolution, and what the future holds for these AI-powered machines. Stay tuned, because what you're about to see will change the way you think about the future of technology. Section 1. The evolution of humanoid robots. Humanoid robots have been a concept for centuries, deeply rooted in mythology and early mechanical inventions. From ancient automatons to the first real robotic limbs, humans have always dreamed of creating artificial beings that mimic us. But it wasn't until the 20th century that this dream began taking shape in the form of actual machines. One of the most iconic breakthroughs was Honda's Asimo, introduced in 2000, setting a new standard for robotic mobility. But this was just the beginning. Section 2. The most advanced humanoid robots today. Let's take a look at some of the most cutting-edge humanoid robots shaping our world right now. Boston Dynamics Atlas. Atlas is one of the most advanced humanoid robots ever created. Built for agility and endurance, it showcases human-like motion, capable of executing parkour moves and performing complex physical tasks. Tesla bot Optimus. Elon Musk unveiled Tesla's humanoid robot Optimus with the promise of bringing AI-powered humanoid assistance into everyday life. Tesla's Optimus robot is envisioned as a household helper, capable of assisting with routine chores, basic meal prep, and light cleaning around the home. With its advanced AI and human-like design, Optimus aims to navigate domestic environments safely, relieving you of tedious tasks while integrating seamlessly into daily life. What is the goal of developing humanoid robots? One of them is to handle dangerous and repetitive tasks, potentially replacing human labor in factories and even households. China's UB Tech Robotics has been making significant strides with its Walker robot, which combines advanced AI, mobility, and interactive capabilities. It's designed to assist with household chores and offer companionship, taking humanoid robotics into personal spaces. But humanoid robotics isn't just about creating machines that move like us. It's about creating machines that think, interact, and work alongside us. And that's where the global competition heats up. Section 3. The global race in AI robotics. Humanoid robots are no longer just a technological curiosity. They're a key focus in global AI competition. Let's break down what's happening across the major players. United States. With companies like Tesla, Boston Dynamics, and Agility Robotics, the U.S. is at the forefront of humanoid robotics, focusing on commercial and industrial applications. Agility Robotics' Digit is a nimble bipedal robot designed for dynamic environments, capable of walking, climbing, and handling repetitive tasks with advanced AI-driven dexterity. Japan. Japan has long been a leader in robotics, focusing on social interaction. Chinbo, Japan's newest humanoid robot, merges advanced social AI with realistic facial expressions, aiming to enhance everyday life through empathetic interactions and seamless household assistance. China. China is making massive investments in AI-driven military technology. China's latest military dog robots showcase AI-driven quadrupeds that can navigate rough terrain, carry gear, and use weapons in tactical operations, reflecting the country's push for high-tech battlefield solutions. Their ultimate goal is become the world leader in AI-powered automation and make humanoid robots essential in industries like manufacturing and logistics. Europe. European researchers are focusing on collaborative humanoid robots, designed to work alongside humans in factories, research labs, and healthcare. Neura, a cutting-edge German humanoid robot, integrates advanced sensor arrays with sophisticated AI, enabling intuitive human-robot collaboration and precise, responsive interactions. Section 4. The future of humanoid robots. So what's next for humanoid robots? Experts predict several game-changing trends in the next decade. With enhanced AI and autonomy, robots will soon be able to think, learn, and make independent decisions with minimal human intervention. Autonomous general intelligence will be combined with robots to make them super intelligent. Seamless human-robot interaction. Future humanoids will understand facial expressions, tone of voice, and emotions, making them more natural to interact with. Robots in everyday life. From personal assistants to healthcare workers, humanoid robots may become a common sight in homes, hospitals, and businesses. Ethical concerns. As these machines become more advanced, we must address ethical and societal concerns about privacy, data security, and job displacement. A new field of study is emerging called robot ethics, also called roboethics, which examines the ethical issues arising from the development and use of robots, including questions about whether robots could potentially pose a threat to humans in the short or long term, and how to ensure their responsible design and application. Humanoid robots are no longer a distant fantasy. They are here, evolving, and preparing to become an integral part of society. The future of humanoid robotics is being written right now. But the question remains, are we truly ready? Will these robots be our helpers, our replacements, or something in between? What do you think? Will humanoid robots benefit society, or are they a step toward a world we may not be ready for? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Subscribe to All Things AI for more mind-blowing AI updates, trends, and deep dives into the world of artificial intelligence.